Hello, I'm Mackenzie Whitted, and today I'm going to be talking about insect repellents and how chemistry helps keep bugs away. Insect repellents are products produced to help prevent and repel biting insects. Many of the products are able to be applied to our skin through a spray and aerosol cans, and there are also lanterns and candles that use heating mechanisms to help spread the repellent throughout a certain area. There are many reasons why insect repellents were first created, one of them being they help prevent different diseases that the insects carry. It's very common for a person to get disease from insects biting. Some common diseases are malaria, the Zika virus, and Lyme disease. Insect bites can also cause allergic reactions or irritation in many people. Repellents also help to protect the vulnerable populations such as pregnant women and young children from insect-borne diseases, which I talked about previously. They also allow you to enjoy outdoor activities while not having the constant annoyance of biting insects, which contributes to your overall well-being. Insect repellents were first created during World War II. Many of the soldiers started carrying aerosol cans that had insecticides to help protect themselves from mosquitoes or other insects that were biting them. The U.S. Army and the U.S. Department of Agriculture first developed DEET in 1946 after World War II. DEET became available to the public in 1957. DEET is one of the most popular and most known compounds used in insect repellents. There also can be icardin, citradol, and IR3535. As more repellent is being used, scientists worry about insects becoming resistant to that repellent. Paul Lisner states, many new compounds are being created to help prevent resistance and to make them safer for the environment overall. Ocetine is a chemical contained in human sweat and breath, which is known to attract biting insects. Repellents are created to have compounds to limit the ability of the insect to attract to the humans. The main compounds involved in insect repellents are D-icardin, which is also known as picardin, citradol, and IR3535 propionate. DEET is like the main active ingredient in many of the big repellent products. It is an organic compound with the chemical formula C12H17NO. It works by interfering with the biting insect's ability to locate humans. The DEET hits the insects and it blocks the olfactory receptors, which then makes it difficult for them to sense the carbon dioxide, heat, and sweat that they are attracted to from humans. Icardin, which is also known as picardin, has the chemical formula C12H23NO3, and it works just like DEET, where it disrupts the insect's olfactory system and it makes it hard for them to find humans also. Citradol has the chemical formula C10H18NO2. This compound masks the human scent and interferes with the insect's ability to locate humans. IR3535 propionate, it has the chemical formula C12H23NO3. It's an amino acid based compound and it works similarly to the other compounds used in insect repellents. Some other experts involved in producing insect repellents are the government and regulatory agencies. They help regulate certain insect repellents and they set safety measures, review the products, and establish certain guidelines. The public health helps advise on certain insect repellents to use in certain disease-prone areas. Environmental scientists help assess the ecological impacts on our ecosystem that using insect repellents may have. And medical professionals help educate individuals about the certain insect-borne illnesses and what to look for. Some positive social impacts from using insect repellents is it helps with the disease prevention, helps you engage in outdoor activities, helps protect the vulnerable population, and it also has some economic benefits. Some negative of using insect repellents is there can be environmental impacts. The insects can become resistant, and there also can be health concerns for some people. In conclusion, insect repellents are very important today, and they have many positive impacts on people's lives. It's important to understand the compounds that are used in repellents and how they work to fight off insects, to address the public health challenges, and to also allow people to enjoy outdoor activities.